Meaning of iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is a type of lettuce with a round head and tightly packed leaves. It derives its name from the fact that it grows in cold weather, and was originally transported to warmer regions packed in ice. This lettuce is known for its mild, crunchy texture and relatively low nutritional content compared to other lettuces. Although it has fallen out of favor in recent years due to its perceived lack of flavor and nutrients, it remains a staple in many households and is still commonly used in salads, sandwiches, and other dishes.